Justin, you done swimming? You want to get out?
No. Get out.
Get out? You done swimming? Well, then get out. You can't go back in when you're done. You sure you're done?
Yeah, done.
You want to get ready?
Yeah.
You want to get cleaned up? You sure you want to come inside? Are you done swimming? What do you want to do now? Have Bubba help you. Bubba, help him take those off. Now where are you going? Are you going to do exactly what Bubba was doing, huh?
Or he just wants to do what Dad does to him. He picks him up so he can do a slam dunk.
I'm not picking him up. He's heavy.
Are you trophy?
Where are you going? No, water doesn't get turned on. Dustin, leave it alone. Well, now what are you doing? You gonna go swimming? You gonna go swimming? Dee, what are you doing? Your toes fitting in the crack right over there? Do what? Ride your scooter. Ride the scooter. Ride your scooter. No, not that. That's Bubba's. Ride your little thing. No, that one. The what other one? Didi. That one. See right there? Ride your bike. Goofball. Ride that one. Ride this one. No.